Angel's first channel cat. On the Roadrunner little baby. Slider with a 1 ounce. Nighttime fishing. Almost full moon. Almost full moon. Look at this channel cat. It has to be at least 5 or 6 pounds. On the crappie. Check out the crappie cut bait. Look at the head on that baby. Ooh. Stretch them out. Yeah. That's a beast. That's a beast. Show the rod, Angel. On the duck runner. It's almost as big as a duck runner. Yeah. Kitty, kitty, cat. Yes? Check out the beast. We're thinking maybe 10, but maybe like 5 or 6 pounds. Maybe 7. It's like 24 inches. But the head on it is like a pit bull. We're probably gonna get the release. Yes? Here, go. Just grip him hard like a bass. Just grip him like a bass.
I feel like he's gonna bite me.
He does bite, but not that hard. Grab him like a boss, like a bass. Yeah, just grab him.
I'm scared.
No, grab him like a bass. He doesn't have teeth. It's like kind of like sandpaper.
But
Go. With the strongest hand. Your right or left? Right. Okay. You gotta grip him hard.
I can't.
Yeah, grab him like a bass. Come on, you can do it. See, it's like sandpaper. He doesn't have teeth.
You sure?
Yeah. Put it in there fast and grip it tight. Button.
I'm scared.
All right, let's get the release. Angel's monster. Look at that belly. 10 pounds. And he's going down. Good job, Angelo. Good job. Check out this monster. He has to be over 10. Look at that belly. I thought it was a sturgeon for a minute. Catfish fried up. Check out the hook set. With some cut bait, some crappie. Check it out. It used to be that head, but now it's inside that belly. Yeah, fish on. We're gonna let this baby go. Check out the teeth, or the sandpaper teeth. Check out that beast. Fish on. All right, we're gonna get the release. Check out this monster. Bye-bye. Catfish full moon. Kitty, kitty, cat.